A building management system, BMS, also known as a building automation system, BAS, is a computer-based control system installed in buildings to monitor and manage mechanical, electrical, and electromechanical services. These services include HVAC, lighting, power systems, fire safety, security, and water systems. The main goal is to ensure efficient, safe, and reliable building operations while optimizing energy consumption and reducing costs. The objectives of a BMS are to enhance occupant comfort, automate building operations, improve energy efficiency, provide centralized monitoring and control, enable predictive maintenance, and improve building safety and security. Key features of a BMS include centralized control, real-time monitoring, scheduling, alarm notifications, data logging, and integration with third-party systems such as fire safety and energy management. BMS systems are built using a layered architecture, including the field layer, sensors and actuators, control layer, direct digital controllers, supervisory layer, workstations or servers with GUI, and enterprise layer, interfaces with other systems like EMS and CMMS. A typical BMS layout connects sensors to DDC controllers, which communicate with BMS servers or SCADA systems and operator workstations. Actuators and integration layers are also part of the system. BMS technology has evolved over the decades, from pneumatic and relay-based systems in the 1980s to DDC and PC-based GUIs in the 1990s, integration with fire, security, energy in the 2000s, web-based systems in the 2010s, and IoT-enabled smart building automation with AI and cloud connectivity in the 2020s. A BMS offers significant benefits, including reduced energy costs up to 30% savings, better asset and facility management, enhanced operational efficiency, rapid fault detection and resolution, and support for regulatory compliance and sustainability tracking. BMS is used in various real-world applications: data centers for cooling and monitoring, hospitals for air quality and emergency systems, hotels for room comfort and energy optimization, and airports for climate control and fire alarm integration. Leading BMS manufacturers include Schneider Electric, EcoStruxure Building Operation, Honeywell, Johnson Controls, Siemens Desigo, Tritium Niagara, Delta Controls, and Distech Controls. A BMS is the backbone of smart building infrastructure, offering centralized control and real-time visibility over a building's critical systems. Its role continues to evolve with advancements in IoT, AI, and energy regulations.